Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have an Azure haul for you. This is the third time that I've ordered from them, and yeah, so these Ezekiel tortillas are a pretty good price. They come frozen, so this is one of the frozen options. And our family has a lot of sensitivities, so these actually work pretty decently. I mean, they're not as flexible as like a flour tortilla, but they fairly are. I was able to make like some chicken quesadillas with them the other day. Then I got this 6-pack of mandarin oranges, and I know in my area it can be harder to find organic mandarin oranges. My son was trying to eat his lunch. He's like, "What are you doing?" Then I got some of the chocolate chips. These are, let's see, these are the regular semi-sweet, I think. Let's see what the front of the package. Yeah, semi-sweet. I just got the pound of that one. And just going to try those out. The chocolate chips are a little bit pricey. Now, here's was the big disappointment. And as I was seeing this for the first time when I was filming this, oh, look at the mold. These are organic nectarines, and they were a great price. And it's 18 pounds of them. And oh, I was so bummed. Here I am. My kids are sitting there eating, and they're like, oh. So they're 2 trays worth of nectarines, and yeah, that mold is really excessive. Now I'm in Michigan, which I realize that they've got to get across the country to get to us, but here I am walking along. I was in the middle of cooking something in my new Instant Pot slow cooker with the Dutch oven. So more on that in the future. Here are some dark chocolate chips that I got a bigger bag. I think this is 5 pounds. And these do have the sugar in them, cane sugar, but yeah, at least they're organic. And I know that they can be really pricey in the store. And then I got a big bag of coconut sugar. I think that was 5 pounds. And then these quinoa flakes. This was the thing that drew us to Azure in the first place. My daughter cannot have oats, and it's every oat recipe or breakfast recipe in the world has oats in it, and so she's been eating these quinoa flakes with a little bit of jam in the morning and loves them. So try those out if you need to. And these are the dried cherries, and look at that, just being cherries, nothing added to it, no sugar, so that's a great deal. Wanted to try this time the unsalted dry roasted peanuts, so I went ahead and got a bag of that. We go through a lot of peanuts. And then what have we got here? Oh, the whole milk powder. So this is a pound bag of whole milk powder. So for like bread recipes, and also I think I'm gonna vacuum seal some in a jar just for, you know, backup plan, and or you could throw it in the freezer. Then I got a 3-pack of the crushed tomatoes, which are a great deal if you buy, especially in the 3-pack. And the can, there's a tiniest dent there in that one. I think it still should be okay, but I'll definitely put it in my pantry to use it sooner than later. This butter is really tasty. I haven't been able to get the Romano or whatever the brand is that everybody loves, but this is also a grass-fed butter. And here is some goat cheese. Again, my daughter has, actually both of us have a hard time with cow's milk, so we try to rotate in goat cheddar instead of cow's milk cheddar. So they had good deals on these, and it's super tasty. It's really tasty. So try it out, even if you can have whatever. So large cans here of organic diced tomatoes, no salt added, and as you can see the ingredients there. And again, the 3-pack was cheaper. This is sauerkraut, and we weren't able to get it on our last order, so I was glad to try it out this time. They had a good price on that. It's from Canada, I guess. It just has cabbage in there and salt and just great straightforward sauerkraut, so very good for you. Then a big honking jar of raw berry wildflower honey, and I'm going to be making some quinoa flake bars that call for quite a bit of honey, more than what I have right now. I do get honey from a local person when they have it, just because it helps with my daughter's allergies. But I haven't been able to get some from them, so I went ahead and got the bigger jar, and then you can reuse that jar as well. So that I think was it. And this time I'll have to do a backlog of the other things I got last time. Thanks for joining me, guys. Hit the link below. I did ask for a refund on that, so nectarines, so we'll see what happens with that. I'm sure they'll be fine about it. But thanks so much for joining me, guys.